Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best golf balls that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. In 5th place, we have the Cenoling 24 Pieces Duo Soft Golf Balls. If you're looking for a versatile and colorful set of golf balls, this one might catch your eye. The package includes 24 balls, split evenly between yellow and white options, making it easy to spot your ball on the course. The low-compression core is designed for a super soft feel, which is ideal for players with slower swing speeds or those who prefer a more forgiving ball. Performance-wise, these golf balls are all about maximizing distance. The specially designed polyurethane cover reduces spin to help you hit straighter and longer shots, even if your swing isn't perfect. While they offer decent wedge control, these balls excel in providing a consistent and predictable trajectory. However, the durability is what stands out. These balls maintain their elasticity and playability round after round, making them a solid choice for both practice sessions and casual games. Now, while the Cenoling golf balls are affordable and great for beginners or seniors, they might not offer the precision or greenside control that advanced players demand. The color variety is a plus, but in terms of spin and feel, they fall slightly behind premium options. Overall, this is a great pick for recreational golfers who want a balance of value, durability, and ease of play. Coming in at number 4, we have the Wilson Profile Distance Golf Ball 36-pack. This set is all about value, offering 36 golf balls in one package, perfect for players who go through balls quickly or need extras for practice. The high-energy core is designed for long-distance flight, while the low-compression technology gives these balls a surprisingly soft feel for something in this price range. What sets the Wilson Profile apart is its spin-reducing dimple pattern. This technology minimizes hooks and slices, making it a great option for players who struggle with control off the tee. The inner cover also helps with accuracy, ensuring that your shots stay on target. While these balls may lack the greenside spin and precision of a premium ball, they perform exceptionally well for mid to high handicappers who prioritize distance and forgiveness. On the downside, the durability is decent but not exceptional. After several rounds, you might notice some wear and tear. Additionally, advanced players may find the lack of spin control to be limiting when it comes to finesse shots around the green. That said, for the price and the value you get with 36 balls, this is an excellent choice for casual golfers and those focusing on distance improvement. Taking the 3rd spot is the TaylorMade Golf Distance Plus golf balls, and at $19.99, this is our budget pick in the lineup. These 2-layer balls feature a React Speed core and an extended flight dimple pattern, which work together to deliver impressive distance performance. The mid-launch and mid-to-high spin characteristics make this ball versatile enough for a range of playing styles. The design includes a new plus alignment aid, which is particularly helpful for improving your putting accuracy, a thoughtful feature for players working on their green game. While these balls prioritize distance, they also offer a softer feel compared to other budget options, which is a nice touch for players who don't want to sacrifice too much comfort. However, it's worth noting that these balls won't provide the same level of greenside spin or shot-making control as more premium models. They're best suited for golfers who are focused on maximizing their distance and improving their alignment without breaking the bank. If price and value are your top priorities, the TaylorMade Distance Plus is a fantastic choice. In 2nd place, we have the Callaway Supersoft golf balls, a favorite among golfers for their blend of performance and affordability. These balls are designed to be super long, super straight, and super soft, thanks to their hyper-elastic soft-fast core. This innovative core technology delivers faster ball speeds while maintaining a soft feel, making them ideal for players who want both distance and control. One standout feature is the 360-degree blue splatter alignment aid, which not only looks unique, but also helps significantly with lining up putts. Additionally, the The hybrid cover material offers excellent greenside spin and control, while still providing the durability you'd expect from a high-quality ball. Whether you're hitting off the tee or making finesse shots around the green, the Supersoft lives up to its name. On the flip side, these balls might not suit players with very high swing speeds, as the low compression could lead to a loss of distance in those cases. But for most golfers, especially mid-handicappers looking to improve their game, the Callaway Supersoft is an excellent all-around choice that doesn't break the bank. Finally, in first place, we have the Titleist Pro V1, the gold standard for golf balls. Designed for golfers who demand the best, this premium ball delivers exceptional performance across the board. The new high-gradient core increases ball speed while reducing spin on long-game shots, giving you incredible distance off the tee. The soft-cast urethane elastomer cover provides unmatched greenside spin and control, making it a favorite among professional and advanced players. The Pro V1's 388 tetrahedral dimple design ensures a penetrating and consistent flight, even in challenging conditions. Whether you're hitting long drives, mid-iron shots, or delicate chips, this ball offers precision and reliability at every step. The softer feel further enhances the level of touch and responsiveness, giving you more confidence in your short game. While the $54.97 price tag may deter some golfers, the quality and performance justify the investment for those looking to elevate their game. If you're serious about golf and want a ball that delivers on distance, control, and feel, the Titleist Pro V1 is, without a doubt, the top choice in 2025. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.